Hi, I'm Wes Bricker, PwC's U.S. and Mexico assurance leader, and I'm thrilled to be with you today. The year 2020 has thus far reminded us how suddenly our circumstances can change. It's also given us an opportunity to see what we're capable of in the face of change, especially when we work together. As a firm, we embrace change. Our people actively pursue innovation, and our leaders encourage new perspectives and new experiences in this evolving environment. But also in this evolving environment, what hasn't changed is that our number one objective is quality, audit quality. That has not changed, and it will not change. As a reflection of our commitment, we're pleased to have recently issued our 2020 Audit Quality Report. In our quality report, you'll find insights regarding our continued efforts to enhance audit quality, and also a discussion about key areas, including our response to the COVID-19 pandemic, which remains a critical focus and reflects our efforts to rapidly implement engagement level continuity plans, as well as to leverage our technology platforms to help our audit teams quickly and effectively deliver our audits on largely a virtual basis. However, the top priority of our leadership team continues to be safety, the well-being, and the personal and the professional development of our people. Our continued commitment to fight racial inequality and injustice is also covered within our quality report. We believe that our differences make us stronger as a firm, as a profession, and as a nation. Our commitment to ongoing efforts to reimagine the end-to-end audit experience is also covered within our quality report, because we believe our achievements in both business-led and people-led innovation are having a positive impact on audit quality. And finally, you'll find a discussion about our newly formed Assurance Quality Advisory Committee, which I'm proud to say is now up and running. The establishment of the AQAC makes PwC unique as a firm, with a board that includes external members, but also with an independent outside advisory committee focused on audit quality. And joining me today to share their perspectives on audit quality, the profession, and our capital markets are our AQAC members, Russ Golden, Joanne Wakeham, and Alan Beller. We're incredibly fortunate to have these thought leaders and leading voices in the profession and in the markets as advisors to our firm. And with that, I'll pass it over to you, Russ, for a brief introduction and to kick us off in our discussion about your perspectives on the audit profession, audit quality, and our capital markets. Over to you, Russ.
Thanks, Wes. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a pleasure to be a member of the Assurance Quality Advisory Committee. I've had the opportunity to be in the accounting profession for almost 30 years, first in public accounting, then a member of the Financial Accounting Standards Board staff, member of the board, and for the last 7 years, chairing the FASB, where the board tackled numerous issues to improve the quality of information to investors, to help investors and other stakeholders understand what companies have, what companies owe, what companies did. During those projects, we engaged with a number of stakeholders, investors, boards, audit committee members, regulators. What was a clear theme was understanding and having confidence in the quality of information, and specifically the quality of audit. And that's why I was excited to accept the opportunity to be the chair of the Assurance Quality Advisory Committee. One thing I've learned so far is the culture at PwC, the tone at the top, and the commitment to continuously improve audit quality. Back to you, Wes.
Well, thank you, Russ. With these opening thoughts as a springboard, it's a really good time to now pivot to you, Joanne, and to broaden the discussion to include a discussion about innovation and technology. I know you have a lot of insights and thoughts in that area. So over to you, Joanne.
Thanks, Wes. Hello, everyone. It's really great to be here with you today, and I appreciate the opportunity to speak to you. I recently retired from the Federal Reserve Board, where I held the position of chief accountant. And in that capacity, I ran the Chief Accountants Group, and I advised the Board of Governors on the implications of key accounting, audit, and reporting issues. I also advanced international initiatives through my work with the Accounting Experts Group through the Basel Committee. That group is responsible for fostering high-quality international accounting and audit practices and standards with the goal of enhancing financial stability. I was also the Federal Reserve representative on this Financial Stability Board as it relates to accounting and audit issues. Previous to the Fed, I worked at EY, the Financial Accounting Standards Board, and the Office of Thrift Supervision. I'm really excited to be part of PwC and the Assurance Quality Advisory Committee. Through my career, I've interacted with really exceptional PwC professionals. One common thread in my professional and volunteer activities for me has been the importance of working on really meaningful work, things that are meaningful and important to me, things that are meaningful and important to the world, and where I can make an impact. It's also been very motivating to me to work and to be connected with organizations that have high values like integrity, strong, positive leadership, and making an impact in the world. And that's what PwC is all about. Your organization with your mission of increasing trust in society and solving big problems, important problems, that's really meaningful and important work. And so it's really exciting to be a part of that. As Russ mentioned, audit quality is a key to strong capital markets. And strong capital markets are a key to a strong economy. And a strong economy is a key to our strong country. And that impacts the lives of everyday Americans. So I think the work of audit quality, not just your organization with the larger mission of increasing trust and solving important problems, that specifically around audit quality is something that has a big impact on society in our country. If I drill down into the particulars of your strategy that I find compelling, number one on the list are your efforts around technology and innovation. It's speaking to the needs of businesses in the marketplace right now. And it's also speaking to the needs of professionals, anyone that's working at PwC right now. Businesses are trying to innovate. They're trying to be more effective and efficient. And they need business partners that are working alongside them that can help them in that journey. COVID is a great example. So you have had a strategy on technology and innovation prior to COVID, and you'll have one after COVID, but certainly because of COVID, it's shown the strength and your success in that area because you've been able to be so seamlessly moved to remote and also assisted your clients in their work and their needs based on remote work. The emphasis on technology and innovation also impacts people directly. So you're helping each of your professionals upskill. And the way to look at it, or the way I look at it sometimes, is you're helping them push back the horizons that they have for their future and their career. And that also helps the firm meet the needs of the future and the demands of the future. As each person grows, the firm is able to grow in its capabilities. And for all those reasons, I'm very excited to be part of the PwC family and also part of the Assurance Quality Advisory Committee. Wes, back to you.
Thank you, Joanne, for those insightful perspectives. Our methodology, our technology, and our audit training provide our people with the guidance and the tools that they need to drive audit quality and to reinforce critical skills and behaviors related to delivering audit quality. We recognize this is a journey, and tomorrow's audit today is how we bring together our people and our technology to innovative ways in delivering quality. Alan, it's great to have you with us as well. Switching over to you, we would very much welcome your perspectives on quality and growth and how you see those two interconnected concepts coming together. So Alan, over to you.
Thanks, Wes. And thank you also for the opportunity to address these important issues. I am not an auditor and not a CPA, unique in today's group, but I have a long and abiding interest and commitment to audit and assurance quality. Let me give you a little background that may explain that. I've been a corporate and securities lawyer for nearly 40 years, bringing companies to the public markets and advising public companies. I spent my entire legal career at the international law firm of Cleary Gottlieb, where I'm currently a senior counsel. The importance of audit and assurance quality was strongly demonstrated to me from my time at the Securities and Exchange Commission, where I served as director of the Division of Corporation Finance and as senior counselor to the commission. I began my SEC service in January 2002, the month after Enron collapsed and filed for bankruptcy. Nothing could have brought home more forcefully than Enron and WorldCom and the other accounting fraud and misconduct cases of that era, the importance of quality in accounting, financial reporting, and auditing. And these events led directly to my involvement in the implementation of Sarbanes-Oxley, including important audit committee reforms and the introduction of audits of internal control over financial reporting. I'm currently the vice chair of the International Financial Reporting Standards Foundation, which oversees IFRS, international accounting standards used in some 140 jurisdictions outside the United States. I'm also a member of the board of directors and audit committee of the Travelers Companies and a member of the foundation board of the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, or SASB. Given my abiding interest in auditing and accounting issues, I could not have been more gratified and more excited when I was asked if I would be part of the PwC Assurance Quality Advisory Committee. I look forward to working with Russ, Joanne, and Wes and his very talented team at PwC in making whatever contributions I can to audit and assurance quality and in bringing my diverse perspectives to this important mission. One of the key elements of audit and assurance quality is the relationship between the quality of the firm's audit practice and the growth of that practice. My long and diverse experience in the markets has completely convinced me not only that quality and growth go hand in hand, but that each has a strong causal link with the other. Joanne has discussed developments in technology and innovation. These developments are crucial to better designed audits, leading to improved quality and to more assured execution of audits of improved quality. The investments in technology and people and the increased breadth of activity that drive these improvements require growth. Growth and expansion of assurance services beyond the traditional definition of auditing services, when combined with an unswerving dedication to quality, can also lead to a broadening of services and expertise that can be beneficial to markets, clients, and the firm. For those dedicated to the highest quality of information in the markets, expanding the availability and the use of assurance services beyond the financial statements to other types of information can improve quality. Examples include both financial information, such as reporting of other information in SEC filings, or structured reporting, such as that enabled by XBRL. And also non-financial information, such as sustainability or ESG information, where there are concerns by investors and other stakeholders about not only comparability, but also accuracy and reliability. Again, these state activities would mutually depend on both quality and growth. One cannot occur without the other. So those are my thoughts on this, Wes, and I, again, appreciate the opportunity.
Well, thank you, Alan, and thank you for those perceptive insights. We very much value your perspective around growth and quality and the connections. Russ, Alan, Joanne, it's been an absolute pleasure to spend time with you all today and over the course. I am excited to continue on this journey with you and to learn from your valuable perspectives. Audit quality remains our number one job. It's core to our purpose to build trust in society, to solve important problems. And we're proud to be auditors. We're proud of the important role that we play in the financial reporting ecosystem. We're proud to support the overall health of the global economy and to build trust in times of uncertainty. In these times of uncertainty, we remain firmly committed to our people and to our culture including advancing diversity and inclusion priorities within our firm, across businesses, and within society more generally. We condemn racial injustice and inequality, and we're using our platform as a leader in business to stand against and help eliminate racism, bias, and discrimination in society. Thank you all for taking the time to listen in. We hope you will find the content of our 2020 Audit Quality Report insightful, and we look forward to continuing the dialogue with every one of you. Thank you.